want y'all to know. Like I said in my other video. What'd he say? 797. This is not the little boy, man. Is that to give me the motherfucking gun, Trey? On funnel game. Y'all already know what it is, man. Hey, it's your boy Tino back with another video. I don't even do intros for real and shit like that no more. But I'm gonna do one for y'all real quick. I just wanna say, I thank y'all for all y'all support, everything y'all do for me. I hope y'all keep supporting your boy, keep rocking with him to the fullest extent. How y'all do. And we finna get this point of view drive in, you feel me? Yeah, we in that red eye thing. Y'all see that thing right there though. Y'all see that thing right there though. You feel me? That motherfucker look too good. But this motherfucker raw. He got the Alcantara all through here. We got Alcantara headliner, Alcantara seats, carbon fiber dash, carbon fiber shifter, of course Alcantara steering wheel. That feels amazing. Napa leather and Alcantara seats, like I said. Hellcat Redeye, and don't forget 220 on the goddamn dash. I'm gonna start off in sport, and then we'll see where we end up. I'll probably end the track though. See like on some albums and shit. But it's gonna be the first point of view drive in the wide body Redeye. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You feel me? Please don't forget to hit that post notification bell because I am trying to upload every day. And let me put my seatbelt on before we even do anything. You feel me? Oh, this bitch too fast! Oh shit! Oh funnel grade! Oh shit, this bitch too fast! Oh no, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, gang. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, gang. I don't know what it is about this motherfucker, but it is not the little boy one for real. I'm trying to tell y'all, alright, so boom. I be talking shit, right? I talk some shit and say that this motherfucker ain't faster than the Hellcat and woodoo waddle. This motherfucker fast, gang. Don't tell nobody I said this, but this motherfucker fast, bro. Now, Cat Baby, you feel me? She's still big dog through this bitch. You feel me? Like, that's just how it is. That's a police officer right there, too. I don't know if y'all can see him. This motherfucker feel too good. Damn, this bitch raw. Oh, I would act up if that, it's a police officer, directly behind me at the light. This motherfucker feel too good, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, no. I have to. Oh, I gotta, hey, oh. But this motherfucker is real life amazing. This is real life one of them things, gang. This is real life one of them things, and I'm barely stepping on the gas. Who say them charges can't handle, boy? What you mean? What you talking about? Taking that curve like a champ. Not too fast, though. We passing up the pool, all the little kids outside, man. Give them a little show in that red out there. Give them a little show in that red eye thing, you feel me? All the little kids outside and shit. Uncle Tino love the kids. Little folks spiffy as hell, ain't he? Hey, I like your suit, bro. I like your suit. You spiffy as hell. I ain't gonna lie, I be feeling good, you feel me? I hope y'all out having a blessed day, man. Life is about blessings, man, for real. And life is, if you don't get nothing out of life, if you don't get nothing from Tino, always remember to make the best out of every day. Look at him trying to do something in that little ass. I know the video that y'all just seen like yesterday or the day before that. You feel me, about that Mustang and shit, but bro, come on now, bro. You see what this is, bro. This is not the little boy one. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I said I wasn't gonna say it no more, but what do you expect? What do you expect? It's a motherfucking Redeye. And then like Dodge just be making shit. Like, they just be making shit. Like, boom, they make the Redeye. Then they turn around and make the jailbreak. Like, what the fuck? That bitch got just as much horsepower as a Demon and a Charger. Why? Like, oh my God, I need to get one. I'm gonna get one. Fuck it, I'm gonna get one. Oh, I love this car. Oh yeah, wait. I said I was gonna end the track. So that's what we gonna do. You feel? Oh, this bitch get wild. Oh, nah. Why they make this? Yeah, go ahead and slow that down, pimpin'. This is not the little boy one, but go ahead and back it up. Oh, this bitch spinning all tight. Oh shit, this bitch getting over crazy, gang. Oh shit. I love this car, bro. Oh man, I love Hellcats. Hellcats is the best thing ever, man. I don't care what you say. I don't care how you feel, nigga. Oh my God, bro. The torque on this thing is insane, bro. The torque on this thing is crazy. And I know y'all hear that supercharged. This is with no intake, no aftermarket intake. This stock, baby. This stock, baby. This is crazy. This is crazy. I should get wild all in the intersection, huh? Shake ass all in the intersection, huh? Oh my God, this bitch sound like he got turbos on it. Yeah, no, this bitch get wild. This is not the little boy one, man. Fuck she doing? Watch out. This is... Go ahead, park next to that, you hear? To that thing. You hear? I ain't gonna lie. This bitch crazy. This bitch is crazy. Oh my God. Where the key at? Let me return this to its owner before I go home with this motherfucker.